Hello students, welcome to TS Quick Learn. In the next bit in the exercise 3.1 is determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. And the given numbers are 25, 125, 250, 1250, 10205, 70985, 5045880. Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. So, in order to understand how the numbers are divisible by 10 and 5, we have to know the divisibility rules of 5, 10 and 2. Okay, and divisibility rule for 5 is the numbers with 0 and 5 at one's place are divisible by 5. If we take the first number 25 in the ones place, the digit is 5. So it is satisfying the above condition of the formula. So it is divisible by 5. 25 is divisible by 5. So divisibility rule by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So in its ones place. So for 25 in ones place it is 5. So it is not divisible by 2. Divisibility by 10. The number 25 is divisible by 5 but not 2. So it is not divisible by 10. For the divisibility rule for 10, it should be the ones digit should be 0. Because if we check the 10 table, every time when we check 10 table, we'll get the last digit. When the ones place digit, it will be always 0. So in 5 table, 5 twos are if we do, we get 10. Every time if we multiply 5 table with ending with the 2, we'll get 0 in the last. So it is not divisible by 10. Since it is not divisible by 2, we can say it is not divisible by 10. And the next bit is 125. As we now know the divisibility rules by 5, 10 and 2. For 5, what is the divisibility rule? In ones place it should be 5. For 125 it is 5. So it is divisible by 5. And divisibility by 10. In ones place what it should be there? It should be 0. So it is not 0. So we can say that it is not divisible by 10. And the next bit, divisibility by 2. Ones place it is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That means we can say that it is not divisible by 2. And the next bit is 250. If we check the divisibility by 5, ones place is 0. So for divisibility rule for 5, it might be either 0 or 5. So it is satisfying the condition. So it is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 2. Ones place is 0. That means it is satisfying the condition that it should be either the ones place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is divisible by 2. And the next bit is divisibility by 10. In ones place it is 0. So the number is divisible by 10 also. And the next bit is 1250. So the number is ending with 0. That means it is divisibility rule for 5 is in ones place it should be either 0 or 5. So it is satisfying the condition. So it is divisible by 5. And the divisibility by 2 is in ones place it is 0. And this one is also satisfying the condition that it should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 8. So it is satisfying the condition so that we can say that it is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 10. Ones place it is 0, so it is also divisible by 10. And the next bit is 10205. Divisibility by 5. Ones place it is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 10. Ones place it is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Divisibility by 2. In ones place we have 5. So it is not falling under 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is not divisible by 2. And the next bit is 70985. Divisibility by 5. If we check ones place is 5. So it is divisible. If we check the divisibility rule for 10, ones place is 5, which is not divisible by 10. And for divisibility rule of 2 also, it is not falling under the numbers that 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is not divisible by 2. And next bit is 45880 divisible by 5. If you check, the number is ending with 0, which is divisible by 5, because the divisibility rule has it should be the ones place digit should be either 0 or 5. Divisibility for 10, ones place should be 0, so it is satisfying the condition, so it is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 2 in ones 2, 4, 6 or 8, so it is satisfying the condition, so it is divisible by 2. So out of all these bits, what can we conclude? If a number has 0 in its ones place, we can blindly say that it will be divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Thank you.